So it's early morning of 24th July 2018 and we are going for Vihigaon. Okay, there is a waterfall is there. We left Vikroli by 7:20 and we reach over here around 8 o'clock. Bhiwandi bypass. So where our other member was waiting for us, KTM 200. So right now we are going towards Vihigaon. Once we took our next halt, I will update you about it. So right now one unknown rider 390 KTM new model 2017 joined us.
और आज का दिन की सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि आज के दिन हम पिलियन है.
So today builder is my pillion. You know, he kept his NS at home only because the chain sprocket is at a dire state. गाड़ी वाला लौड़े कुछ खाने का भी रहना चाहिए. और ये So guys, it's 9:26 a.m. We just took a halt for some breakfast just before the Kasara Ghat. Okay, so once we leave, I will update you about it. It was a ride, it was a, like I can say, so far so good. Right now it's 10:20. We just started our ride once again. Right now we are at Kasara Ghat and I am sitting as a pillion and builder is riding it. You can have a look from the pillion side. Excuse-moi. रुक जा प्रॉपर बैठना है हाँ चल so it's a diversion you can see a clear diversion as you start the Kasara Ghat the diversion comes तेरी कौन में लग लौड़े तो पूरा पानी उड़ा दिया So you can see guys it's an off-roading little bit. We didn't take the right, we went straight ahead. So, might be this would be a place where we should park a bike and we should go ahead. Or we'll take a bike only till where we can go it. किसी को पूछ ले एक बार किसी को पूछना पड़ेगा यहाँ राइट में क्या है So guys we have reached our destination which is Vihigaon which is called as Ashoka Waterfall. You can have some view of it.
Actually नीचे का बंद है नीचे जाते ना उधर जा सकते उधर जाएंगे ना अपन पहले इधर लगा इधर इधर ऐसा लगा नीचे जाने का बंद है After doing a tree passing, we finally reached to Ashoka Waterfall. सर क्या रहे हो आप? अरे हमारे पास है ना दूल्हा तुम लोग के लिए
So it's around 2:30 and we are going back to home. Such a wonderful place to visit in rainy season. Here comes a little bit off-roading, just of 100 meters or 200 meters. 100 meters you can say. There is not much to show it, so I'll just update once we take a halt or something interesting comes. I will update it. Right now we have just touched Kasara Ghat because you cannot go on a wrong side. Okay, so you have to take a Kasara Ghat, and once the ghat gets over, you need to come back return. You take a once the ghat gets over, you need to do a U-turn, and you will take a नहीं, यहाँ से रास्ता नीचे उतर रहा है।
उधर नीचे तो उतर रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है।
हाँ उतर रहा है, वो उतर रहा है। हाँ हाँ
क्या रोड हो रहा है?
देखना। So this is the shortcut in गाड़ी आ रही है, देख। लोग आने दे पहले। साले अचानक से बोला अचानक से क्या हुआ हाँ so guys it's 3:50 and we are leaving after taking a short tea break as we just crossed Kasara Ghat. So now we are directly going ahead towards home without any stop. I would be riding and builder will be my pillion and there is no other changes in other two bikes. मेरे को तेरा नाम ही याद नहीं भाई वी ना बी विक्रम बी 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 बॉम्बे चल भाई तू जा आराम से घर पहुंचेगा तो मैसेज कर अपडेट दे ठीक है चल हेलमेट का है ना so Vikram is going he stay in Kalyan so he will take a Kalyan bypass route so we just took a left from Gandhinagar signal and we are just about to reach Suryanagar Vikroli west. So we started the ride by 7:20 and we are completing the ride by 5:30.